Amani channel. This is webvideochefs.com, and in this episode we're going to cook up a recipe to help you understand how your media is organized with iMovie. This is iMovie 11. I'm assuming it works the same with previous versions of iMovie, right? But this kind of confused me at first as well. So let's start off. Of course, you have your timeline, you have a project, and so this is your edited video, which sits on your timeline. This is your project, right? And then up here you also have clips in your event library. So this is some clips from Devin's Easter egg hunt, and then we have this event which has just a quick little birthday message for Devin's cousin, and then I believe I have some more clips that are organized here. So in each event you're able to load in or import or capture as many different clips as you want to capture that are associated with each event. So here we have multiple clips that was captured on my iPhone of this one event, and then it's all edited down here. Well, let's go here and I'll show you here. I have a couple of versions, but it's all edited here and appears here on the timeline. All right, and this is the project. And so there are events, and there's your event library, and then there's your project library. And you can, of course, let me just go here just to show you. Let's go to this first project. You can add clips from any event onto a project, but it's basically how you organize your clips. So if you want to start a new project, I recommend that you just go ahead and start a new project. You hit Command N, then you're able to title it here. We'll just call this one Test 1. You have a couple options. You can either use widescreen or standard. You can also set the frame rate if it's in 24p or NTSC. Don't worry about PAL, because PAL is a European video format. And then for your project, you can also have some themes. You can go, these are preset little graphical intros that you can choose. You can sort of preview them by clicking on them. And they're kind of cool, but they're kind of, they're generic because they're available for all iMovie users. So, anyone will know that you use the iMovie intro, but they can be a little bit creative. And then you have some movie trailers, and you have some other options here as well. If this thing will load up. All right, so just some different ways to create your videos. We're gonna go with no theme for this example. We're gonna use widescreen is fine, and you just go create. And then you will see that your timeline will clear, and then it says to start a new project, select video or photos and drag them to this area. Now, as I mentioned, you can use any video in any of your event library to start editing, but if you wanted to start a new video with some new clips, I would suggest you create a new event, and then you can start importing your footage or capturing it, and it will add the clips here. And then also, as you're capturing your video, it will ask you what event you want to add it to, so you have some options there. All right, but just really wanting to get you started. Like I said, when I first started getting into iMovie, it was a little bit confusing for me. But always, if you want to check your different previous projects, you click there, and you will see them. If you want to delete them, you can just, you can always move your project to the trash if you want to get rid of it. And that's how you get started, all right? Amani channel, this is webvideochefs.com. Hopefully this was helpful. Any questions, ask at webvideochefs.com. You can check out some of our other tutorials. All right, or else check out our Start Rockin' iMovie for a quick crash course in getting started with iMovie. All right, thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.